not going to believe it. Check out this video.
Hey, how are you guys?
How are you, sir?
Hey, good. I got the boiler down here.
Okay.
Lennox, we got it installed like 3 years ago. It's not like coming on when I put the switch on.
Oh, you have no heat.
Yeah, I put the thermostat up.
I was set here for maintenance.
Maintenance? No,
Maintenance on a...
it's a Lennox over here.
It's a Lennox.
Yeah. No.
We had the wrong job? No, this was... That's you. Peter, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
No, so just at that. Okay, let's see what you got.